Hello everyone. In this beginner series, I am going to talk about how you can align your text in Python. Let's move on to Visual Studio Code, and here you can see I have already written a text shift me. Now say you want to align it to left position. So the way to do is you can just type in the variable which is holding your text and then call the function ljust. So ljust is for left justification. And here you need to pass what width do you want. So after justification, the total width would be 25. Let me go ahead and print this out. As this is left hand side, you may not see any difference because the extra characters are like space. Let me change it to right side justification. So for justifying it to right, you just need to call rjust. And this time you can see that the difference is here. So this total length is 25. So all these things here are the space. So individual character is the space over here, and this is the overall length. So it still consists of 25. Now let's say you want to align it to center. So for center, we have a function called center. So it will show you the text as a center aligned text in the width of 25. So these are the three different ways to align it. Apart from this, we do have another function which is called format. Let me quickly show you that also. So format is the function which takes first parameter, the string or the text you want to align it, and inside this you just need to use a symbol like greater than, less than, and cap sign. So let's say you want to align it to left justify, you want to make it to left justify, so you need to give the symbol and the width you want. So I want 25, so I'm giving it 25. Let's run it. And okay, sorry, so it's for right hand side. So if you will run it, you can see that the text is shifted on this hand side. Now if you want to center, then instead of this you just put the cap sign and the text would be aligned as center. So these are the various ways you can align your text using ljust, rjust, center, or you can directly go with the format. Now apart from these four things, there is one more thing, like if you want to fill in this extra space here with some specific characters. So what you can do is you can just write that character over here. So here next to 25 I can say print star. So it will go ahead and print the star for you. So I need to put it in single quote here. Let's run it, and you can see that in order to make it 25, earlier it was just space, now it is represented by the character which we have defined over here, and this is star. Same thing, you can provide it with your format function also. So in this case, you can provide the character in front of this. So let's say you want to print P. And you can see that all those extra spaces were filled up by the P. This is how easy it is to do it. And the benefit of a format function over these three is this is not only restricted to strings. You can give in any data type here to make it work. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.